My name is Amelia Sigl. This video is for the class Sage 450 Global Issues for the Geography assignment based in Africa. This particular global issue takes place in Rwanda, Africa, and the article was published on December 30th, 2024 by the New Times, titled Government Raises Concerns Over Garment Waste Impact on the Environment. This photo illustrates the issue in Africa, with thousands of garments polluting the shores and oceans. The Rwanda government, specifically the Ministry of Environment, is calling for urgent strategies to manage the waste of garments before it leads to an environmental crisis. In many rural areas of Rwanda, there are no landfills. Only 12.1% of households have access to waste collection, and less than 4% of all waste is recycled. With over 13 million people purchasing garments and 1.5 million tons of solid waste produced annually, there is an immediate call to action. The population of Rwanda is expected to grow to 17.6 million from the 13.6 million currently by 2035, which means there needs to be drastic measures taken in the next 10 years. Textile waste can add to greenhouse gases, soil contamination, and especially water pollution. According to the article, decomposing textiles release methane and leach harmful chemicals and dyes into the groundwater. This affects human health, agricultural yields, and aquatic life. While nearly all clothing, shoes, and fabric can be recycled, the recycling of these items can be quite tedious due to the material's short fibers, mixed materials, inefficiency, and expense. So what is the government calling for exactly? The Director of Environment and Climate Change urges urban households to sort waste before sending it to landfills so that disposal and recycling is more feasible. One environmental expert advocates for an integrated waste management hierarchy, which would involve waste reduction, material reuse, recycling, composting, and both energy recovering and non-energy recovering incineration. He emphasizes the need for more sustainable practices such as transforming waste into useful materials and creating incentives to improve waste management. To address these issues, Rwanda has committed to constructing solid waste management facilities and has started initiatives such as the $221 million waste management plan. I feel that this matter is a big environmental issue in Africa because it has such a drastic effect on citizens' health and welfare, food supply, and wildlife. I feel that everyone across the globe should consider reducing their footprints by thinking about the end life of products before they purchase them. Ask yourself questions when considering a purchase. Where will this product be by the time I have grandchildren? Will it affect their health and well-being? Will it decompose, or will it end up in the ocean or dumped in a third world country? Can it be recycled and reused? Does it contain harmful chemicals that can contaminate groundwater? In order to make the world sustainable for future generations, we need to reduce how much of the world we are using of. Thank you.